Hello everyone, welcome to Green Matrix. I'm going to introduce you to my husband first of all. This is going to be our channel where we talk all things organic. I'm going to just take you to him and say hi. Husband,
hello.
Say hello.
Hello, what am I meant to say? I'm doing all the work here.
He's
You're
doing
having
all the
fun.
work. I'm having all the fun. I have all the fun because I'm the one who eats all the food.
Her contribution is to eat the food.
This was actually founded by our very good friends Sean and Angela, and they came up with the idea that we should, extend our faith in the Lord and eat fresh, organic fruit and veg, none of this plastic stuff around here. And we've got some raised beds here. I'm going to show you a quick look around our garden and the raised beds. How gorgeous is that? Amazing, isn't it? Quick shot of the gorgeous hubby over there. And yeah, so the intention is to be completely healthy. I mean, all this we could actually feed the 5,000, we do realise, but that's okay.
Can I interrupt?
Yes, you can.
Right, have a look at this. That is a sugar snap pea. Fresh.
Okay.
Do you want a little bite?
Oh my goodness, go on then.
Go on then.
Yeah.
Crunch it.
Oh wow. Oh wow. Amazing. So this is what we're all about. We are growing our own healthy, organic, nothing's been sprayed over here, no GMOs. Our vegetables will not last one whole year with no decay. I've got apples that do that. Have you got apples that literally last a whole year and there's not even a bit of mould on? Disgusting. That's not happening around these ends. Oh my goodness. Nobody speak to me for a week. Look at the state of this place. Look at it. Okay, that's my fault because it is a little bit messy. There's some more tomatoes down here, look. Bernard picks the right ones every morning and he puts them in his frittata. And I don't get a chance to taste the ones because he's robbed them all first thing in the morning. We're going to keep you updated week by week. I've only shown you tomatoes, it's not very good. Okay, right, let's go. I'm going to show you some apples and some pears. Come on. What about these gorgeous things? Look at them bad apples. Look at them. Look at them. They're amazing, aren't they? We have some pears here. So yeah, we're going to keep you updated week by week, and hopefully this will have grown a bit more and I'll have a bit more to show you. We've only just started.